Hey everyone. Welcome back to the channel. If you're watching this, chances are you're either struggling with SEO right now, or you're smart enough to be thinking ahead about where search optimization is heading. Either way, you're in the right place. And today we're diving deep into SEO best practices for 2026. Now, I know what you're thinking, 2026. That's still in the future. But here's the thing. The SEO strategies that will dominate in 2026 are already taking shape right now. And if you want to stay ahead of the competition, you need to start implementing these practices today. So grab a coffee, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and let's jump into the future of SEO together. First up, let's talk about the elephant in the room, AI. By 2026, AI isn't just going to be part of search, it's going to be search. We're already seeing this with Google's AI overviews and ChatGPT's Search GPT, but this is just the beginning. Here's what this means for your SEO strategy. Focus on answer-first content. Instead of just targeting keywords, you need to be thinking about the actual questions your audience is asking. AI systems are getting incredibly good at understanding intent, not just matching words. So when you're creating content, ask yourself, what specific problem am I solving here? Embrace natural language. Gone are the days of stuffing keywords like, best pizza restaurant New York, into your content. AI understands context now. Write like you're having a conversation with your reader. If it sounds natural when you read it out loud, you're on the right track. Create comprehensive topic clusters. Instead of creating isolated blog posts, think in terms of topic ecosystems. If you're writing about email marketing, don't just cover one aspect. Create content that covers strategy, tools, automation, metrics, everything someone might want to know about that topic. AI loves comprehensive, authoritative content. Now, let's talk about EAT, that's expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness. But here's the kicker. By 2026, there's actually a fourth pillar that's becoming just as important, experience. Google has been quietly rolling this out, and it's going to be huge. Here's how to nail EAT in 2026. Show real expertise, don't just claim you're an expert, prove it. Include author bios that actually mean something. Show certifications, years of experience, real results you've achieved. And here's a pro tip. Include personal anecdotes and case studies. Nothing says, I know what I'm talking about, like real-world examples. Build authority through associations. Get mentioned alongside other authorities in your field. Guest post on respected sites, participate in industry podcasts, speak at conferences. Authority isn't just what you say about yourself, it's what others say about you. Trust signals everywhere. In 2026, trust signals are going to be make or break. We're talking contact information, privacy policies, secure checkout processes, customer reviews, and social proof. But here's what most people miss, response time. How quickly you respond to comments, emails, and customer service inquiries is becoming a major trust factor. Experience matters. This is the new kid on the block. Google wants to see that you have first-hand experience with what you're writing about. Reviewing a product. Show photos of you actually using it. Giving business advice. Share your own wins and failures. Authenticity is the name of the game. Alright, let's get a bit technical, but don't worry, I'll keep it simple. Technical SEO in 2026 is all about user experience and AI accessibility. Core Web Vitals 2.0, Google's Core Web Vitals are evolving. By 2026, we're looking at new metrics that focus on interaction responsiveness and visual stability across different devices. The key here? Test your site on everything, phones, tablets, desktops, even smart TVs if your audience uses them. AI-friendly markup. Just like we use schema markup to help search engines understand our content, we need to think about how AI systems consume our information. Use clear headings, bullet points, and structured data. Make your content scannable for both humans and AI. Voice and visual search optimization. by 2026, voice search isn't just, "Hey Google, find me a pizza place." It's complex, conversational queries. Optimize for question-based, long-tail keywords. And visual search. Make sure your images have descriptive file names and alt text that actually describes what's in the image. Site speed is non-negotiable. I cannot stress this enough. If your site takes more than 3 seconds to load in 2026, you're done. Users won't wait, and neither will search engines. Invest in good hosting, optimize your images, and regularly audit your site speed. Content is still king in 2026, but the kingdom has changed. Here's what works. Interactive and multimedia content. Text-only blog posts aren't cutting it anymore. Think videos, infographics, interactive tools, calculators, quizzes. The more engaged users are with your content, the better it performs. And here's a secret, interactive content gets shared more, which builds those authority signals we talked about earlier. Micro-content for micro-moments. Not everything needs to be a 3,000-word comprehensive guide. Sometimes people just need a quick answer. Create short-form content that answers specific questions quickly and clearly. Think FAQ sections, quick tip videos, and concise how-to guides. Community-driven content. By 2026, user-generated content is gold. Encourage reviews, comments, testimonials, and user submissions. Google loves seeing active communities around your content because it signals real engagement and value. Personalization at scale. This is where AI helps you. Use data to understand what different segments of your audience want, then create content variations that speak to each group. It doesn't mean creating completely different content, it means adjusting your messaging and examples to resonate with different audiences. Update and refresh regularly. Search engines love fresh content, but that doesn't mean you need to create something new every day. Take your best performing content and update it regularly. Add new information, update statistics, refresh examples. It's often more valuable than creating brand new content. Here's something that hasn't changed: if you're not measuring, you're not improving. But what we measure in 2026 is evolving. Beyond rankings, yes, rankings still matter, but they're not the whole story. Focus on user engagement metrics, time on page, return visitors, conversion rates, and brand searches. These tell you if you're actually providing value, not just ranking well. AI analytics tools. By 2026, we have AI-powered analytics tools that can predict trends and suggest optimizations in real time. Embrace these tools, but don't let them replace your understanding of your audience. Data informs decisions, but human insight drives strategy. Continuous testing. Test everything: titles, meta descriptions, content formats, call to actions. What worked last year might not work now, and what works now might not work next month. Stay agile and keep testing. Cross-platform metrics. SEO isn't just about Google anymore. Track how your content performs across different search engines, social platforms, and even AI chatbots. Diversification is key to long-term success. Alright, let's wrap this up. SEO in 2026 might seem complex, but it really comes down to one thing: creating genuine value for real people. The technology changes, the algorithms evolve, but the fundamental principle remains the same. Focus on understanding your audience, creating helpful content, building trust, and providing an excellent user experience. The rest is just tactics and techniques, important, but not more important than the fundamentals. Remember, the best time to start implementing these 2026 SEO practices is right now. Don't wait until your competition figures it out. What did you think of today's video? Which of these strategies are you most excited to implement? Let me know in the comments below. And if this was helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more SEO tips and digital marketing strategies. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep optimizing. Subscribe button animation. Related video suggestions. Channel trailer for new viewers. Word count, 500 words. Estimated speaking time, 8 minutes at average pace. Video description suggestion. Ready to future-proof your SEO strategy? In this comprehensive guide, we dive deep into the SEO best practices that will dominate 2026. From AI optimization to EAT evolution, technical improvements to content strategies that actually work, everything you need to stay ahead of the curve. Start implementing these strategies today to ensure your website thrives in tomorrow's search landscape.